Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Moringa tablets at home. First, ensure your Moringa leaves are completely dry and free of moisture. You can air dry them or use a dehydrator. Once dry, grind them into a very fine powder using a high-speed blender or a spice grinder. This fine consistency is crucial for proper tablet formation. Measure out about 1 cup of this vibrant green powder to begin your batch. Now, let's mix our powder. Gradually add a very small amount of distilled water to your Moringa powder, mixing until it forms a thick, dough-like consistency. You might also consider adding a natural binder, such as 1/4 teaspoon of gum arabic powder, to help the tablets hold their shape better. Once mixed, press the mixture firmly into a tablet press or a small mold, ensuring each tablet is compact. After forming your tablets, it's essential to dry them properly. Place the tablets on a clean, dry surface, like a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, in a well-ventilated area. Allow them to air dry for at least 24 to 48 hours, or until they are completely hard and brittle. This prevents any mold from forming. Once fully dry, store your homemade Moringa tablets in an airtight container away from direct sunlight. Homemade Moringa tablets are a fantastic way to incorporate this nutrient-dense superfood into your daily routine. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting your overall health and boosting energy levels naturally. Remember to consult a healthcare professional for personalized dosage advice. Also, for other great deals, and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.